So today I'm making this Dahl. It's a bit noisy because the onions are frying. The onions and garlic are frying, but I've done the first part. Wash the split peas, put them in a pan with the spices so they're doing its thing. And then I'm just frying up the onions and the garlic. And then it's just a matter of waiting right now and seeing what happens. I'm going to have to wait and hopefully we end up with that, or pretty close to it. So I just added the tomatoes. It looks like I have to do that. Yeah, the lentils are all mushy, so I added the tomatoes. Now, I think I have to bring it to a boil, and then I'll add the onions. Okay, let's see what happens. So just added in the onions and garlic that I fried earlier. So sauteed onions. Right? I guess it's boiling, so we'll do that for a couple of minutes, and then hopefully we'll get the final result and look close to that. Although, do I have cilantro? So I didn't have any cilantro. I think it called for cilantro to make it look like that. But I did have parsley. So that's what it looks like. Not even sure what pan I used. The serving dish in the picture looks different. Oh, and incidentally, this is a calendar of recipes that I put together. Like my mother's recipes. Most of them are my mother's. It was a lot of effort to get her to give me the recipes. So these images are me trying the recipe. So this looks really nice, this image. This one, not as nice. Maybe the cilantro would have made all the difference. In any case, I'm going to have to try it later this evening.